Hey there, Lorna Evans here, and I wanted to introduce you to our sew and weave kit. So if you want to do a beautiful soft look, a little bit like this one next to me, where it's really nice and soft, you don't want millions of bobby pins, in fact there's no bobby pins in that, then that's when you're going to need to get some hair sewing happening. So let me show you what's inside our little kit. So you've got two things. The first thing you're going to see is you've got your needle with two lots of thread. So we're giving you a light and a dark thread. Now the thread that we've actually got has a wax feel on it, so it is a linen thread, but the linen thread also has that wax feel. It is the best thread, I promise you, that I have ever used before, because it's got that wax feeling to it. It just slides through the hair. So let me show you the needle. Here's one that's out of the packet. The difference with the needle is, well, number one is we actually designed it and had it made. It's in rose gold, so that's actually really, really nice and pretty. So if you're a bit like me and your eyesight's not fantastic, we've designed it so the eye of the needle is very, very easy to thread. It's more like a circle than it is in any other shape. On the end, you'll notice that there's a ball on the end. Now, this to me is a very important part of this needle, is because when you're sewing, you want to make sure that it is secure and you can dance all night. So by having the ball, you can get right down to the scalp with that needle. And it actually even sticks to my magnetic styling bobby pin band. The second thing that's in here is it's the same needle, but because we've actually designed the top of the eye to be able to thread through some silicone bands, you're actually going to find that what you're going to be able to do is you're going to use that to weave the hair through. So if you think about a topsy tail is quite wide, whereas the silicone bands actually close up to nothing. So it slides through the hair with smaller pieces a lot easier. So I know you're going to love the sew and weave kit, perfect for every single stylist's toolkit.